Wildlife population geneticists are increasingly using non-invasive sampling approaches to acquire data from their species of interest. Such approaches have proven to be useful to investigate questions related to animal behavior, population demography, and genetics, especially in rare and elusive animals. By remotely collecting biological material such as hair, researchers can study animals without disturbing, harming, or even observing their species of interest. While these techniques have mainly been applied to medium-sized to large carnivores such as grizzly bears, less effort has been focused on smaller herbivorous mammals. To bridge this gap, novel, innovative approaches to sample small mammals are being developed. This video article describes a new and innovative way to unobtrusively obtain hair samples from small lagomorphs called American pikas. These small mammals are found throughout North American mountain ranges from New Mexico and California to central British Columbia. They inhabit rocky slides called talus slopes, which provide shelter from predation as well as protection from environmental extremes. They are usually found at elevations exceeding 2,500 meters above sea level in the southern part of their range, but may also be found at sea level in the northernmost part of their distribution. Pikas do not hibernate. They are active throughout the day in the summer, but concentrate their activity to mornings and evenings when temperatures are cooler. They venture into meadows adjacent to the talus slope to forage on neighboring vegetation. One particularity of the pika is that it doesn't just eat its food in the open. It takes it back to its territory in the talus and stores it in hay piles. While this species is easily detectable, it is shy in nature and will often avoid live traps laid out by researchers. Furthermore, pikas have been found to be sensitive to handling, which may result in the death of the animal. In order to study